Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you the shortest way possible of converting an MP4 file to an MP3 file using the VLC video player. So this is the file that we'll be converting. The first step is opening the VLC player. So after opening the VLC player, you come to the media and then scroll to convert/save the file. After opening that page, you come to this button for adding file and then you choose the file that you want to add. So our file is this one that we want to convert. Open the file. After adding the file, the next step you come to save the file. So you choose a destination for the file, and yes, the destination, and on the name of the file you need to change this extension here to MP3 and save. Then start converting. You can see the progress of converting your file here on your VLC, and once it is done you can come to the file and try playing it. And you can see it is playing as a MP3 file. Thank you for watching. I'm very grateful for our returning subscribers, and for our new subscribers, kindly subscribe to get more of our content. Thank you.